Not just in the boardroom today, this is the yoga studio. You ever had a tight, stressful board meeting? You was like, I just want to get out of here. Well, in the middle of your board meeting, in the middle of your staff meeting, do these couple of yoga postures and poses that'll help you relax and calm down. Let's go. I'm James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude, and I hate meetings. I don't like sitting there so long talking about blah, 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 blah. So in your meetings, you're gonna do a couple of things. Of course, stand up if you can. Even if you can't, just try to stand up. Or if standing isn't working for you, you still can take these shoulders, these tight tense shoulders right here. You wanna roll them up and then roll them back and down. And then look at the person next to you. Act like you're very interested in what they have to say, but you're really breathing and stretching the neck. And then look down at your agenda. You're only on item 1 and it's 2 hours into the meeting, but that's okay. So you're breathing, you're stretching, you're releasing, you're letting it go. Look at the other exhausted colleague next to you. Feel the stretch in your neck. Continue to breathe. You're interested in what they have to say. And then you look up in the sky, just calling for it to be over, over, over. Bring the chin down, roll the shoulders back, chest open. We're open to what's going on. We're open to what's being said. It's all good here. Good. You're sitting down. I want you to extend that leg. So send that leg out under the table, the big wood table that they got. Extend that leg straight out underneath it. Push the heel into the ground. Pull those toes back. You're scooting the chair back ever so slightly, and you feel that stretch in the back of the leg. See, I'm doing extending, but you can still do this sitting. Toes are pulled back. My chair is scooting back. My leg is getting the stretch that I need to survive another conversation about a policy we know we're not going to put into place. Feel that stretch into your back, into your hamstrings, to your legs. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And then slowly come back up. Breathe in and breathe out before you ask another question. Other leg. Once again, it's all about the heel and the toes coming back. So even if you don't have the ability to extend your leg, like while you're standing, you can still do it while you're sitting. Chair scoots back. My hips go back, but my foot stays exactly where it is, and my hamstrings are saying thank you for this deep stretch to take the pressure off my back and the pressure off of having to say the right thing in this meeting. Feel the stretch here. Breathe, 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 breathe. Good. Inhale, slowly coming up. Shoulder roll here. Squeeze at the top, and then drop back and down. We're paying attention. We're focused in this meeting, but we're still taking our breath. Good. You're going over your agenda. You're looking down, and we're going to hit them with the breath. We're going to breathe in. That's a good point. That parent said the same thing to me too. Maybe we should come back a week later. Whatever it is, being able to breathe and clear your mind and relax is important. Bring that left hand up into the sky. Good. You're just stretching, just scratching, dropping it down. Feel the stretch through your armpit, through the back of the arm, and still opening the chest here. Nice little stretch as you pay attention to what's going on. Feel the whole body just elongate. Now, you're nosy, so you're going to lean over here to hear what your colleague is saying just a little bit more. That's probably a secret about who did what, when, where, why, how much. Feel that stretch there. And then inhale, slowly bring both hands up into the sky. In the middle of the meeting, you're just leaning back, stretching. Do you have a question? No, I'm just outraged. Chest opens up here. And then we're gonna drop the other hand down and then lean over, telling this colleague what the other colleague just said. Stretch, 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 stretch. Good. Nice, slowly coming up. Inhale, bring both hands up into the sky. Reach for your retirement. Exhale, bring it down before it disappears. Stretch up. Inhale, reach into the sky. Exhale. One more. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Shake it out. You got to take a bathroom break. Come up. Move back away from the chair, away from the table. And this is going to take your hips and push your hips back. Knees slightly bent here and just fold forward. Oh, that's a good one. Now, Go as far as you can, and as much as you need to, bend your knees to relax the hip, relax the shoulders, sway left, sway right. Let the arms be heavy. You got it. Inhale, slowly rolling up. Bend the knees. Ooh, coming back. Shake it out. Nice little gentle twist from left to right. Letting the arms be relaxed as you're about to sign another thing. Maybe raise your hand to give another motion. You're doing great. Awesome job. Good. Shake it out. Put a smile on your face. You survived another board meeting, staff meeting, parent teacher meeting. You did it. You're amazing. As always, feel free to feel free, and namaste. Peace.